In the heat of the night, we could get lost in all the lights and sounds.
Hey guys, we're about to head off onto the second event of the tour, San Francisco. It's going to be one of the biggest events, I think, of the entire tour. Are you excited?
Cutest.
Anyway, so we've got a few boards here, as you can see. Just ignore that one in the corner over there. 3 Raptor 2s and 1 DIY board which has some Raptor 2 hub motors on it. And we're gonna give people a go. Hopefully everybody likes it and it should be a good day. Did you want to say anything, Jeff?
Shaka bra.
Alright, bye. We're on our way to the San Francisco event and then we're gonna go on like a massive group ride down through the city, around through Presidio, and yeah, can't wait. Thank you all for coming, first of all. My name's Roan. I do marketing for Enertion, and this is Jeff. He's one of our engineers. It's got massive hub motors inside the rear wheels. It's one of the longest range boards you can get, up to 25 miles. I'll hand off to Jeff to talk a little bit more about the internals and the electronics of the board.
Yeah, hey guys. I'm a robotics PhD student down at UC San Diego, and I just started working with Enertion about 9 months ago after I developed this motor controller board, and since then we've kind of collaborated to make it even better. This is the Foxbox Unity, so it's pretty cool. It's a fully integrated dual motor driver, so you're only going to have to use one controller to set up your board, and it's mainly focused on just kind of a streamlined user experience, and also it's really high power and it's going to be crazy. I kind of wanted to talk briefly about the Raptor 2 versus the 2.1 and just some of the like technical updates that we're doing. So Rowan already mentioned we've got new motors in there, and the reason for the new motors, there's nothing wrong with the current motors, but we had some consistency issues. So we're getting that sorted out, and we're working with like incoming quality checks and stuff like that to ensure that all the boards we ship out are up to spec. We also have an updated handle to improve the balance of the board a little bit, shifting it back maybe an inch or so it'll be a little easier to carry, and the design of the handle is a little bit more ergonomic. And then the last update will be the Foxbox Unity, so that's going to come with Bluetooth already integrated, and the app will be a little bit nicer to use and easier to customize. So if you want to geek out or something, you know, come talk to me about nerdy stuff. I'm always open to it.
Got a bunch of those.
Thanks.
The guys who try to Raptor don't, you know, let the newbies go for it.
Hey man.
Jason.
Nice to meet you. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super fast.
Are you the one with the Raptor?
Yeah.
So you were the original one.
Which is really nice at the high speeds. Like,
Yeah.
you wouldn't expect that smooth braking going like 25.
And I've been really nitpicky because I want a handle. Because like I use it, you know, to go to the store and go in town and whatnot, and not having a handle is such a pain. But that's why I haven't upgraded to something like boosted or anything else. It's because, you know, frankly, handle's so good. It's like, oh, I'm going.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
How's it feel, man?
This thing's pretty fast, man.
You
Wait, let me see that kicktail. That's kicktail. That is fucking sick.
Do it.
I can't believe that was slow. Wow, that was awesome. Thank you so much.
Well, good man.
That's exciting.
Glad you like it.
We did just what the home.
I was the black cat. I used to have bad luck. Now every girl wanna really matter that much. A college dropout, and if it don't add up, a brother stayed on the move. Glad I packed up, slipping, falling on some X shit, and I rhyme excess. Line off, where the fuck the exit? Not that I want to, guess I must accept it. And my flow is on lockdown, arrested. Body bag beats.
I remember he was telling me that like it was substantially faster, like the Raptor was substantially faster, and I was like kind of like push it, and I felt it, and I was like, wow, like it's.
I feel like I'm nervous here.
Soft fly might bring the whole crew down. Ow. Please clear the land deck. Ow. Top floor.
We're gonna go down to the piers down in San Francisco, downtown, and yeah, get some food and chill out. Let's do this.
Yeah, man.
It was cool, but now they super serious. And you should fuck with me, fool. Cause I'm jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. But fuck it, I bring the thunder. The semi-automatic for static, I got another one. Static in the attic, an attic to my brother's son. I'm 730, you heard me, it's in the coop. Missing them niggas dirty, prefer me just like the soup kitchen. They say I'm dominant, motherfuckers, I'm prominent. Burn the fucking ladder, her success is why you climbing it. Dominant, check out my melody, and it's heavenly, heavily, readily, steadily. Betty ain't better than me. I'm the best, my nigga, I never gave a fuck. And I'm a chef with this pan, peep what I'm cooking up. The freshman was cool, but now they super serious. And you should fuck with me, fools, cause I'm super genius. I got a couple hoes in every state, I ain't boasting. Million different flows and they be great like the ocean. Food for thought delicious, get a plate, keep me coasting. Mood I fought for years and I be late, keep me ghosting. My patience wearing thin like I'm a doctor, and my client caught their heads. Really we tryna live, niggas. It's food for thought when I wreck it and kick it, it's vicious. Microphone fiend respecting and checking you bitches. But so far gone like a satellite. Won't stop, disregarding the traffic lights. And I keep the audience guessing who's hotter, cause everything I shit on like a new title. Back up on the campus with blazer with the slacks and shit. Trying to graduate this year, you feel me, my niggas? But that could take a couple years. Shit, it's been a couple years. I've been up on this campus, shit, you feel me, my niggas? The campus is the underground. Seen a lot of fucking clowns. Students be the rappers, but they actors and shit. Promoters steady bogus, they know it.
All right, so here you go. So what you got your mains, then your rear, you change the pattern. So that's tail light. So this is lobies.
Wow.
And then you set my helmet. Then on your foot pedal, you got high beams.
Oh, damn.
And these are really bright if you want to look at them.
That's what's up. I don't want to look at
Exactly. And so you can also turn off the tail lights, but still have the high beams. So during the daytime, you can flash people.
Wow.
That's cool, man.
I love this like DIY stuff, man. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. I've been watching you on YouTube a lot. So.
Yeah, thanks, man. How do you like your Raptor?
Oh, you love it. I keep breaking it, but I love it. Oh no, you guys keep taking care of me. I mean, it's all good. You know, good. Always take care of me. So.
We made it to the Veterans Hospital in San Francisco.
We're stealing electricity from veterans.
That's it.
It's fine, I'm a veteran, it's fine.
Oh, he's a veteran.
Okay,
so
cool.
we're good.
But yeah, we made it out to this really nice spot. We've been riding like all afternoon. We ended up splitting up with a lot of the group because they had to go home. A lot of them didn't have enough range as well, so
They got work tomorrow.
yeah, they got work and stuff tomorrow, which is fair enough. So yeah, really appreciate everybody coming out. This has definitely been the most successful event so far, I'd say. So yeah, we're just gonna charge the boards up, get some nice shots before the sun sets, and yeah, sick day.
You know they're out there, don't you?
We just finished up our ride. We're gonna go and get some dinner at a hot pot restaurant or something. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. See you on the next Enertion event.